Do you need a spare key for your Toyota 4Runner? Well, I'm going to show you the fastest, easiest way to make a spare key without leaving home. This demonstration works for Toyota 4Runners with a push-button start ignition from 2020 to 2022. Now, we've got solutions for Toyota 4Runners from 1990 all the way to 2023. So chances are we've got you covered. And what's more, we're always working to cover more vehicles. Before we jump in the vehicle to see how easy it is to program the spare key fob, I'm going to start a phone call to the Toyota dealership to find out how much they want to rip me off for to make a spare key fob. Let's get this call started and we'll jump in the car while we wait on hold. Come down near the gas and brake pedal, look around until you find the OBD2 port so you can plug the cable in. I'll show you, we've got our existing key. This one has a Toyota logo on it. It also has the tile key finder that we sell, so you can always find your key if you misplace it. And then here's the new one we're going to program. This is an aftermarket, so it's less expensive, still excellent quality. There's no logo on the back. So come into the phone that we include with each order. You're going to open Make My Key. Once this app fires up, we should see the Bluetooth connection turn blue because we're pre-activating and pre-pairing the phone to the programmer. Okay, with the app open, let's go into Toyota. Agree to our terms and conditions. Be certain your vehicle battery is fully charged and will not die during programming. Be sure your headlights are turned off. You've got the HVAC turned off. If it's a hot day, roll down the windows. You don't want to drain the vehicle battery and have the vehicle computer struggling to get power during programming. Okay, so notice it says turn the ignition on, do not start the engine. I'm going to push the start stop button twice. So lights turn on and the vehicle powers on, but the engine is not running. Having done that, we can now enter the smart key system because we're using a smart key fob for a push button start vehicle. We need to auto identify. Found it's Prox 5. Turn the hazard lights on, press the brake pedal. I'm pushing the brake pedal down. Click OK. Connecting. If I want to erase any lost keys, I can use this erase marquee system. This is optional for two reasons. One, if you want to erase any lost keys that might be out there in the world, that you don't want them to be able to enter or use the vehicle, you can do that. Or two, if you've reached the maximum number of key fobs programmed to the vehicle, then you have to erase all lost keys so that there's only one working key. Then you can proceed to add more keys, including any existing working keys that you have, as well as any new keys. So let's erase smart keys. Communicating, use a program smart key to touch the start stop button. Here we go, listen for the beep. Vehicle beeped once, gives a successful erase. Thanks for checking in. I'm still on hold with the dealership. Let's get back to programming. Okay, we're going to add a smart key. Click Add Smart Key. Use a programmed working key to touch the start stop button. Now, if you're feeling concerned about erasing keys, don't worry. The working key right here that I'm about to touch to the start stop button won't be erased. All other keys for the vehicle, however, will be erased. So you'll have one working key, this one right here, and any lost keys will no longer work for this vehicle. Also, if you have a second existing key already, simply use the Add a Smart Key procedure I'm about to demonstrate to reprogram that existing key into the vehicle. And then use the same Add a Smart Key procedure to program your new spare keys to the vehicle as well. Here we go. Vehicle beeped once. Within 10 seconds, take the new key, touch the start stop button. Vehicle beeped twice, and it gives us a programming success notice. That's it. It's that easy. Let's test it. Turn off the emergencies, disconnect the programmer. You can't unlock or unlock the doors until the engine is powered off. Okay, let's test these out. There's two steps to testing the key fob is successfully programmed. First, let's make sure it locks and unlocks the doors. Here's our existing one. We'll check that. It works great. Here's the new one. Very good. Now, we need to check that it starts the engine. To do that, we've got to get all key fobs outside the vehicle far enough away that the engine can't detect them. I've set all keys outside the vehicle. I'm going to try and start the engine. Key not detected. Okay. Now let's bring it back in one at a time. Okay, here's my original key. This is the only key in the vehicle. I want to make sure it still works. Start the engine, fires up nicely. Very good, we're good to go. Let me take my original key out of the vehicle. Now the only key in the vehicle is the newly programmed one. Let's try starting the engine. Boom, fires up nicely. Welcome back. Can it get any easier than that to make a spare key for your Toyota vehicle without leaving the driveway in about 15 minutes? When you place your order, you have the option to select the Key by Photo key cutting service. If you select that optional service, after you complete checkout, you get 3 pictures of the key from directly above. Set it nice and flat on the table, snap those photos, and you'll upload them after you complete checkout. We'll cut the key before shipping it to you, so when it arrives, it's gonna fit your vehicle ready to go. It's pretty amazing. Let's go back and check on that phone call to see what the dealership wanted to charge to make a spare key.
Toyota Parts, how can I help?
I'm trying to find out what it costs to get another key fob made on a 2020 4Runner.
You just want a key.
Yep.
So for the transmitter and the key blank, you're looking $398.56 after tax.
Okay, it's about almost 400. And then do I need to get that programmed?
Yep.
Okay, do you know what that costs, or do you need me to transfer me over to service?
$195.
$195. Okay, so sounds like I'm just a little shy of $600 by the time we get that done. How long does it take?
It'll be a couple hours though.
A couple hours. Okay. Thank you. Can you believe that? The dealership just quoted me almost $600 to make a spare key fob. That's absolutely crazy talk. And they want me to spend 2 hours of my life in their waiting room. Who knows what they're gonna try to sell me while I'm sitting there? Come to Tom's Key Company. You'll save hundreds of dollars and hours of time by getting our Ultimate Key Bundle. That includes the key programmer, the spare key fob, key cutting with our amazing Key by Photo technology, and it'll take you under 10 minutes to program your spare key right at home. And you're gonna save hundreds of dollars and hours of time by skipping the Toyota dealership. Now you might wonder, what happens if you run into problems? Well, we've got you covered there too. Visit help.tomskey.com. We have an amazing customer service team that can help work through any issues you're having. And if for some reason we still can't get your spare key working, no worries. We have a full money back guarantee. You're gonna have a spare key when you're done or your money back. So come to tomskey.com, place your order today. You will save hundreds of dollars and hours of time by skipping the Toyota dealership.